So today I'm going to attempt to do quite possibly the wildest thing in Ghana you've seen in a while. I'm not even kidding. Why did I think about doing this anyway? The fact that I've done this twice before doesn't make me any less nervous. I am very nervous about it. The plan is essentially this. I want to walk from the Accra Mall all the way to Kwame Nkrumah Circle. It's quite simple, I think. Quite frankly, I don't know what to expect on the way, but if there's anyone that can handle it, it's me. So, let's get it. Alright guys, so it's 6:35 a.m. and I'm inside the Accra Mall. I'm actually in the EcoBank ATM hall. What happened was I couldn't get in through the main gate, so what I did was I had to go through the other route and then I had to ask to use the ATM. So that's the only way I'm going to be able to be in the mall in this capacity at this time. Yeah, I'm a little nervous, but we'll see how this goes. Should be good, should be good. We go. So it's 7:17, I'm very close to 37. I'm not feeling anything right now, I'm doing okay. But yeah, so far it's been cool. I think I've done close to 40 minutes, but still have a bit of a way to go, so. So it's 7:39, I've done just about an hour and I'm getting very close to the Flagstaff House, Jubilee House. Alright, so for those of you that wonder if the sun is a factor, at this point in time it's not even 8 a.m. just yet. So this is the best time to really go out for a walk and all that. Making my way down to my mind's a little fuzzy right now, but yeah. And doing this with a mask is very difficult, I'll tell you that much, because it gets very wet and moist and can be a little hard to deal with. So you might want to do a change of mask if you even consider doing this. Okay guys, so currently I just got in past the Kanda overhead you see right behind me, and this is probably the last major stop before Kwame Nkrumah Circle. For the first time I have to admit I'm starting to get a little hungry, and my thighs the DOMS is kicking in from earlier, so I think I've gotten far enough, and that's pretty good on its own that I've done this very quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, the work is done. Thanks so much for watching. Post your comments down below. Please like this video, share it with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'm the Dark Man, and I'm out. Okay, now how do I get home?